Today's topic is
Articles.
articles. There are two types of articles are there. What are they?
Different and indefinite.
Indefinite and definite. So what is the meaning of definite article?
It's
Saying about a thing particularly.
mm.
Particularly saying about one thing means that is called a definite article. So that's why we use the article for the definite. Indefinite article means
Non-particular.
belongs to anything. Anything in the kind, in the group. Belongs to anything, any kind of animals, any kind of things, and any kind of human beings. Okay, A and an. So yesterday we observed how to use A and an. Because in the primer classes, in our primer classes, what they say, our teachers what they say that when to use A, when to use an. Okay. And this says that we have to use an article. We have to use an article before the vowels. But actually where we have to use?
Oval sound.
Before the vowel sound. Vowel sound, it comes in the Telugu to aha calls achulu. Okay. Examples I said yesterday. So what are they? This is an apple. So we know that very well. But somewhat I said you.
And universe.
And
Universe.
universe. Huh? Universe not comes. The universe. Okay. So what comes? An university.
No.
So according to the primer section, what they said before the vowels, we have to use an article. But how the sound gives here? Why? University. So according to this is wrong. What we have tried here?
A
University. The same like that. What we have to use again? Some more. A
European.
union. European.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
1 rupee coin.
1 rupee coin or 1 rupee note. 1 rupee note or 1 rupee coin. Okay. So same like that. One more thing is here. And hour. Because here head silent. Okay. Means we pronounce here like a. Hour. So here we use ya. Means y. Pronunciation here also y pronunciation, here also y pronunciation, but here we use pronunciation is as v. 1 rupee note, 1 rupee coin. Okay, so like that we have to use articles generally. And some more I'll say you write, please write down, note down that. And where we have to use articles, these a and an. Okay, so that one important point is that few, little, before, a. Okay. Few, little, before we have to use means a article is used before few and little. Then only it use the positive meaning. Meaning comes in positive way. How? I'll say the examples. Please write down. One sentence. Let us write. Okay. I have few money in my pocket. Okay. I have a few money in my pocket or in my purse. So here both are there. I have few money in my pocket. I have a few money in my pocket. So here I have few money means I don't have anything. I have few money in my pocket means few money not there in my pocket. Nothing is there. Means it comes in the negative form. it comes in negative form. Okay, and this comes in positive
form.
form. Means I have a few money in my pocket. Something is there in my pocket. Few money. Okay, same like that. There is little water in the glass. There is little water in the
Glass.
glass. What is the meaning of it?
Nothing there in the glass.
Little water also not there. So if you think this comes in negative way or positive way,
Negative.
negative way means nothing. If you want to make it positive way, what we have to use here?
A.
Okay. So this is one important point here. Few and little after we have to little before we have to use article A. Okay. And one more thing. Many and such after A. Such after A. Many such. These two words after A comes. Means here one more noun will be here compulsory. Here few little before A comes. Many such after A comes. See. Many a man in our village got this job. Many a man in our village got this job. Means so many participate in that. Okay, so many are there educated persons, so many are there qualified persons are there for the job, but in that one man got. Means in that members, he is the one person who got the job. Many a man. And such, we generally use that. Okay. I have never seen such a talented person. Or we can say, such a fool, such an engineer, means this word such belongs to that group. Here, see, yes. Correct. Both cups. I have never seen such a talented person. Means so many talented persons are there. But in that he is such a talented person means most talented according to my knowledge. Okay. Same like that. Such a fool. He is such a fool. He won't listen to anybody. Such a fool means in that fool also he is the most person. Given more priority to the person. Okay. The highest fool. See here. I have never seen such an engineer. Two ways comes. Meaning comes in two ways. I have never seen such an engineer.
Good.
Means like that engineer I can have seen. Maybe in the good quality or bad quality. In the good quality or bad quality. In any quality. I have never seen such an engineer. Like the engineer I have never seen. Means in his work. In good quality work or bad quality work. Whatever it may be. Will be revealed after sentence. But like this we have to use after such and many. Okay na? So this is. Next, third point. Profession after. Profession after AR and. Example. He is a lawyer. She is a doctor. Okay. He is lawyer. Mistake. It's not perfect meaning. Perfect framed sentence. Compulsory A comes before the profession. Okay. These are the main 3 points. So where we use articles, mainly a and an.
So before and
Yes, no?
before and.
Which one? Where before and? This third one. Huh? Yes. Engineer are there. Engineer before what comes? And comes. Okay. Means which starts with vowel sound. Before that we have to use an. If it is doesn't start with vowel sound means with consonant sound means we have to use yeah. Okay. These 3 points are main to us. Main 2 parts that mean in writing passage and also close test. Okay. In the last passage also it comes. But now this year we have only these two ways only. We have the writing passage only, close test only. Okay. Then after we have to think about the article. Okay. So when we write a story writing or when we speak about a story, to introduce a thing, an animal or any word, first while introducing we have to say articles indefinite, means a and an. So after introducing, if we are repeating again, yesterday I said you already, if we are going to repeat again, we have to use article the. How one well-known story is there, crow and pot, thirsty crow. Okay, so in that what we use, long ago there was a crow. A crow means while introducing the thing, crow we are introducing, so we say a crow. The crow was thirsty, means again we are bringing the same noun there, crow. So before that we are using the crow. Okay, the crow was thirsty. It is in search of water. So in search of water, what she did? The crow had searched for the water. The crow had seen a hut. The crow had seen a hut. Okay. Immediately the crow went near to the hut. First time a hut. Second time the hut. Near the hut it has seen, means it had seen a pot. It had seen a pot. Okay. Immediately when it had seen a pot, it went near to the pot. Means a pot, no, the pot. The same like that. When it peered into the pot, means looked into the pot, it had seen a little amount of water. A little amount of water. Little amount of water means no water. A little amount of water means some water. Okay. So like that, when we are narrating a story, we say like this. While before we introduce the characters, we have to use article a and an. Indifferent means it belongs to anything, any group. A crow means only one crow is in the world. So many are there. In that we are saying about one. Okay, the same like that. Okay. While introducing a story, while we are repeating any noun again and again, then we have to use the article. Okay. Then after, 2 main things are there. The most appropriate things which are created by nature, means famous things which are created by nature, naturally or by God, created by God or created by nature, we can say that. What are they? So many are there. Oceans. Again, so many are there. What do you say that? Earth. What is Earth? Planets. Planets. Sun, and also valleys, oceans, mountains, okay, hills. Some hills are famous. Before that we have. And one more thing, some are created by the man also. Some are created by men, and they have given a specific name for that. Okay, maybe there are monuments or any instruments or any items. Given a sophisticated name, particular name to that, and the name repeated, not repeated to other. Example, monuments means the Statue of Liberty, the Taj Mahal, the Ayodhya Ram Mandir, okay, the Charminar, we can say that. Okay, monuments. And the White House, the Parliament, like that. Instruments are there. Musical instruments mainly the sitara, the piano, the violin. So we can say like that. And some more items, for example, newspapers. the Hindu, the Eenadu, the Varta, because that name is not given to any other thing. The Hindu paper is there. In the world, only one company is the Hindu paper. If anybody want to introduce one more newspaper, other name will be given, not the same name. Okay, now. So like that, so many items are there. So according to the alphabetic order, I will say you. First one, write you A. Alphabetic order A. Here, A means awards and abbreviations. Awards and abbreviations. So what are the awards are there? Famous awards. You know, generally the Bharat Ratna, the Padma Bhushan, the Padma Vibhushan, the Padma Shri, and in the playing means in the games and sports, the Dhyan Chand Award, the Arjuna Award. Okay, in some movies recently, yesterday, Talaivar Rajnikant got one award, Dada Saheb Phalke Award. The Dada Saheb Phalke Award. So like that we can write here. Before that we have to use the article. The Arjuna Award. The Paramveer Chakra. These awards, Chakra awards, are given in army. Okay. Abbreviations. Abbreviations comes mainly in the names of countries. The USA, the USSR, the UK, the UAE. Means also international organizations are there. Yes, very good. The UNO, the WHO, the UNICEF, So we are discussing about countries, na? So about these countries, I want to say something. Okay. Huh? The article is using before the abbreviations. Okay. Not before natural names of the country. Okay. Should not use the Russia. No article. No article before the proper nouns. Okay. Before proper nouns, you should not use any proper noun. You should not use any article before them. So no countries before we have to use. But some countries are there. Okay. So those countries, end of the at the end, yes as. It becomes plural. It becomes a plural. Some countries names are there. Example. The Netherlands, The islands only. Islands means
Yes.
islands means the country belongs to the islands totally. Okay. The Maldives like this. Hmm. Why will be given like that?
Ends with this.
Because it belongs, that place belongs to a country, but in that small islands are there. The total area is called with one name. That comes just like plural. We can pronounce it like plural, means adding s at the end of the name. That's why we use the article before it. So countries' names will come like this. Some countries only will have the article, and no state is supposed to use the article the, except Punjab. In the states, no country has the eligible have a state name with the article except India, the Punjab. We use the Punjab because nobody kept this name. This name taken from the place. So in that say Punjab, Panch Aap. Aap means river. Panch means five. Five rivers meet in one place. Okay. In Telugu we say Panchanadara Sangamam. We are having a Triveni Sangamam near Kandakurti. Three rivers comes and meet one place. So here also in Punjab one place, five rivers comes and meet one place. So because of the five rivers, the area got this name, Panch Aap. So it became Punjab. So that's why in front of this state only we use. Not state, name. Punjab name, before the name we have to use the article. Okay, na? This is alphabetical A. And second one is article letter D. Letter B. Okay. Branches. Branches means mainly we observe banks. And books. Books means famous books, not general books what we write. Okay, famous books, just like the Ramayana. Epics are the holy books. Okay, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Quran, the Bible, the Wings of Fire, written by Abdul Kalam, autobiography. Okay, so some members, the great members written like that, some autobiographies, some their stories are the biographies, and some beautiful story books are there, and some are there psychological books, means well-known books. Well-known books will be given article before the name. Okay, before the name will be given the article. Not before what we have written notes. Okay, famous books before only we use the article. Branches means mainly we use here banks. The SBI branch, which Kunda? The SBI branch, Hyderabad. Okay, same HDFC. Of course, it is abbreviation. SBI, HDFC, IDBI, something are there. Some are not there with abbreviation. Some are not the abbreviations. What is that? The Canara Bank, the Axis Bank, the Overseas Bank, the Bank of Baroda. Now Andhra Bank not there. Andhra Bank became Union Bank. Okay, the Union Bank. And the Syndicate Bank was not there. It became Canara. Right? Okay. So before the banks and branches, we write like this. So write some names here.